I'm fine, thank you.
Do you like school?
Yes, I love school.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
My dog's name is Max.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I love playing outside.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is tag.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like eating fruits?
Yes, I love eating fruits.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apples.
Do you like playing with me?
Yes, I love playing with you.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my car.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I love going to the park.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
What's your favorite thing to do at the park?
My favorite thing to do at the park is play on the swings.
Do you like riding a bike?
Yes, I love riding a bike.
Do you like playing with blocks?
Yes, I love playing with blocks.
Do you like singing songs?
Yes, I love singing songs.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is The Wheels on the Bus.
Do you like playing with Play-Doh?
Yes, I love playing with Play-Doh.
What's your favorite food to eat for lunch?
My favorite food to eat for lunch is pizza.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
Do you like eating lunch at school?
Yes, I love eating lunch at school.
Do you like playing with Legos?
Yes, I love playing with Legos.
What's your favorite thing to build with Legos?
My favorite thing to build with Legos is a house.
Do you like reading books before bed?
Yes, I love reading books before bed.
What's your favorite book to read before bed?
My favorite book to read before bed is Goodnight Moon.
Do you like going on trips with your family?
Yes, I love going on trips with my family.
What's your favorite place to go on a trip?
My favorite place to go on a trip is the beach.
Do you like playing with your friends on the playground?
Yes, I love playing with my friends on the playground.
What's your favorite thing to do on the playground?
My favorite thing to do on the playground is play on the swings.
Do you like eating snacks at school?
Yes, I love eating snacks at school.
What's your favorite snack to eat at school?
My favorite snack to eat at school is sandwich.
Do you like playing with crayons?
Yes, I love playing with crayons.
What's your favorite color crayon?
My favorite color crayon is blue.
Do you like playing with puzzles?
Yes, I love playing with puzzles.
What's your favorite kind of puzzle?
My favorite kind of puzzle is a shape sorter.
Do you like playing with dolls?
Yes, I love playing with dolls.
What's your doll's name?
My doll's name is Emily.
Do you like playing with cars?
Yes, I love playing with cars.
What's your favorite kind of car?
My favorite kind of car is a police car.
Do you like going to the library?
Yes, I love going to the library.
Do you like playing with bubbles?
Yes, I love playing with bubbles.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I love going to the zoo.
What's your favorite animal to see at the zoo?
My favorite animal to see at the zoo is the monkeys.